Hello, students. Get ready. Start. 1. The massive mandate that we got from the people is one of the biggest historic transitions in this country. It was the bitterest moment, the saddest moment that our country was facing. The people have taken a decision that they must have a united and strong India to see that India prospers. The people living below the poverty line get more and more benefits and that their living standards go up. Para change. Tooth the poverty itself has not been defined yet in many countries. Once, I had the privilege of attending one seminar where about 200 economists of the third world countries used to discuss and define what is poverty. The more the poverty was defined, they found that it was very difficult to define poverty because there are people in these countries who think that such kind of living standards are considered to be more affluent in those countries. But in our country, as minimum living standards, we think that we should have food, we have shelter, a home, and our children get education. In that way, we are trying to define it. Let us find out and evolve a kind of scientific formula and method by which we can proceed to eradicate poverty. Para change. 3. I am quite sure that whatever amount of industrialization we are having, we cannot eradicate poverty within 10 years. Supposing we make it 20 years, let us plan it in such a manner that gradually we achieve that target. So much of money we are investing in all these programs. We have to see that all these programs percolate to the people, reach the masses, and that these are implemented properly. Para change. 4 other day, I was reading an article on poverty, planning, and bureaucracy. It was a very interesting article. I found that some people have made some research and they have gone into this field. I can tell you what happens there. I have gone and met many of the beneficiaries personally. The subsidy that we are giving, the subsidy part, is taken away, is shared by the officers involved in this process. I am not voicing any kind of view which would not be tolerated when I say that the subsidy part in these various programs is being shared by officers involved in the implementation of the programs. What happens is that the subsidy part is not available to beneficiaries. The subsidy itself is taken away by the officers involved in the process, and only the loan part is received by the beneficiaries and they pay interest on that. Thank you, students. Over.